All right, new arrival. Look at this option code on this 993. This has got to be the highest option 993 I've ever seen. It's 4 columns worth of options. And just starting with the front here, you can see it's got a different carpeting. This is, again, special ordered in this light gray here. Electronic xenon headlights. But this is a 1997 993 Targa with a factory Aerokit. You can see that front spoiler with these side skirts. Again, this is super rare. You never really see this stuff on 993s. With, of course, you got the Aerokit 1 rear spoiler with an integrated third brake light. Again, very, very rare. Usually, as you know, Targa's got that basket handle for the third brake light. So they made a special tail here to integrate the third brake light. Just really cool stuff. It's got oval exhaust, active brake, ABD, LSD, motor sound package. But wait till you see this interior. As I said earlier, it is a Targa. This is all functional with the sunshade and everything. This is leather to sample with the light gray interior with the carpeting. Never seen that. Full leather. Really, really, I mean, I've never seen a Targa with a headliner like that. But this is all wrapped in leather around the sides here. And if we come over here, you'll see rootwood shifter, e-brake, steering wheel, and dash panel here. It also has silver face gauges with the rings as well, with only 25,722 miles. This is all bone stock. This is how the guy, he ticked every single box when he bought this car. Original radio, supple leather. Again, the rootwood shifter, but also it's got leather sun visors. Beautiful with the stitching around there. Again, this is all on the factory build sheet. Very rare to see a Targa ordered this way. And then when we go around back real quick, and like I said, it's got motor sound. Just really, really special car. I've never seen a Targa ordered in this configuration with all these options. This is the first for me to see an Aerokit 1 on a Targa. But this is a 1997 993 Targa, factory Aerokit, loaded with options, Arctic silver over leather sample, 25,000 original miles. Gorgeous car. All original paint. All original paint. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier too. So all original paint and no modifications.